Here are some tips for finding part-time jobs in manufacturing and general labor. If you're relying only on job postings online, you're likely missing most of the opportunities that are out there. Companies often post on their own websites. Sometimes jobs are only posted on a sign outside of the business building. Here's how to target many local manufacturing companies for general labor and warehousing jobs. Open a web browser and navigate to Google Maps. Zoom into the city where you're looking for work. Keep in mind this only works in smaller cities like Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge, Brantford, and Guelph. This trick does not work as well in high population areas like downtown Toronto. Notice the coloration that Google uses. Green colored spaces indicate vegetation like grass, farms, and trees. Gray areas represent residential housing. These light brown colored areas indicate low vegetation. It just so happens that where there is low vegetation, there are typically a lot of manufacturing facilities. Zoom in on these areas and you'll see the names of these companies show up. You can now visit each one of their websites, if they have one, to check for postings. Smaller businesses will often not have job postings on their websites. They might not even have a website at all. If there are no postings on their site and they look like a smaller operation, give them a call or email to inquire. Or travel to the area with a friend and do a walk-by to see if they have a sign outside of their establishment. For more tips on finding part-time work in restaurants, retail, and office assistants, check out our other short videos. Good luck with your job search.